Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I played around with this and I started thinking it'd be neat to have a moon, and then I went and got a picture of the moon. And then I thought, if they're going to print this, why couldn't you use a picture of the Earth? Now, the one I picked is backwards, but you can always mirror it and have the dark on that side. And then I took an ellipse about the shape of the Earth, and I selected both of them, and I intersected it. And what that did, that cut out that Earth. And then I just reduced it in size. And I played around with the lens effect that I'm going to show you in just a second a little bit more. So I just used that same Earth, and remember from the first video I got that faded or out of focus. But anyway, if you click on your black and go up to effects in camera and lens flare, I was using the default, but there's a lot of other things you could do. Red sun rays from the left, get whole, and then you could change all the, parameters of the lighting and the size and let's go back, lens flare, and see, look at all the presets. North 4-point North Star. I do not know yet how to move that star. But, well, there it is right there. Let's see if it'll move. Nope. But this is under your presets. Nuclear blast, what could that be? Wow. For us, for engravers, can't really do anything. And here's like the different lens effects on different lenses. Anyway, so just kind of play around that if you've ever got some interest in it. That doesn't look worth a flip. That looks pretty cool. Of course, I'd need to figure out, maybe somebody will chime in to figure out how to move this. Anyway, that's pretty cool. That looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. And thank you for watching.